Hello and welcome to episode 3 of Make Your Wi-Fi Fast and Furious. In this episode we're going to be looking at homeplug, which I think is a really great technology for getting data into different spots around your premises. In essence, it's some devices like this that plug into the mains and use your mains to transmit your Ethernet and your data and your broadband around the house. There's a master unit, and then we have a number of receiver units, most of which have Wi-Fi, but they always have some Ethernet connection on the bottom. So if you're trying to extend your broadband or Wi-Fi into, say, the garden shed, then these are a great way of doing it. What we do is we plug a connector into the master unit. We then plug the other end of the cable into our router, like this. Plug into the mains. At the other end, we plug the other device into the mains. You can have 2, 3, 4, 5 devices, as many as you like, and they'll all broadcast, if they're Wi-Fi, a little Wi-Fi hotspot around the area. So really good for moving to different parts of the house, and particularly if you've got thick walls and things, for getting around obstructions of Wi-Fi signals. Now, they come in a number of flavours, a number of speeds. Obviously it's better to get reasonably fast as you can, 500 megabits, 1000 megabits. You won't get actual speed in practice, but going for something faster can be quite good. Some precautions, well, they'll use a main socket, but a lot of them have a pass-through, another socket on the front you can plug more mains into, and they really don't tend to like being plugged into gang sockets, extension sockets. Can't see it at the moment, but you know what extension sockets are. We plug 3, 4 things into the same thing that goes into the mains. So, home plug, very cost effective, £30–40 for a base starting set, and then moving up from there. So, if you're looking to get Wi-Fi into the home office, say up on the top floor or the garden shed or whatever, these are a really practical way of developing that. Now, if you like the video, please like it, tell other people about it, subscribe so you can see what we're doing next. But thanks for watching.